This one's a little overgrown in the blackberries, hard to get to. And Ron knows where it is. Actually, a few people do. You don't need to comment to make a big deal of where it is. So. It's a Bucyrus Erie 325. It's a 1981. It has a Cummins in it with water engine damage. Other than that, it did run when it was parked. It's a huge bucket beside it. Tough to get much of a view of it. I'm not going into the blackberries there. Still got original paint on the track frames, nice and green. And the engine is out of it.